how to make big profits with casino or gambling affiliate marketing in 2025. Now you can promote sports betting, casino affiliate marketing. There is so many offers out there with casino. But why with TikTok affiliate marketing? I'm going to share with you exactly why. Lots of people have been asking me on YouTube, messaging me, please team share with me how I can promote casino offers in 2025. Because as we know, you cannot just run ads on Facebook or Google easily because your ads can get shut down because of gambling, casino. But with TikTok in 2025, it's Wild West strategy. Why? Because there is not much strict laws, same like Google or Facebook right now, right? So with TikTok, if you know what you're doing, you can actually make a lot of money with casino. Let me show you how. You can see over here, in just 7 days, I had almost 300,000 video views, right? Remember, this is not my face. It's faceless channel, okay? Not my face. I'm going to show you exactly the strategy. 1,400 comments. You see people engaging. I can just send them affiliate link, affiliate website with casino offers, and they can choose from there. In the last 28 days, you can see I had almost 600,000 video views and 40,000 likes. Engagement is really important, 2,500 comments. Okay, now let me show you why this matters. You can see over here, right? Why casino affiliate marketing works really well in 2025 is because casinos sell not logic but emotional states. Desire plus dopamine, quick wins, right? You don't have to convert people, use persuasion sales pages to get people to gamble. It's normal. People do lottery, people do casinos, people do sports betting. Anyways, so you don't have to convince them, right? It's habit. So that's why it's addiction market. Remember, gambling is addiction market. Very important psychology when you're running ads. Now, most casinos will pay 100 to even 500 US dollars per sign up. Why? Because they know that lifetime customer value is above 1,000 US dollars. Okay? And this is not new. It's been running for many years, since 2006. Right? Now, example. If you promote casino with TikTok, and let's say the video gets 10,000 views, which is easily doable once you know exactly what kind of strategy we are using. Okay? So, if one person signs up for casino online and deposit, let's say 25 or 50 US dollars, usually you can make up to 250 USD for one deposit. Right? Just imagine if 3 or 5 people is doing that, as you can see over here, right? You can see how many views I'm getting. In 1 month, almost 600,000 views. Okay? Now, you can see over here, right? What is the step-by-step process? First step is to sign up for an affiliate network. When I work with my clients one-on-one over the Zoom call, I give you exactly the private networks where you can get really great commissions as an affiliate promoting casinos, right? You can choose CPA offers. We create together TikTok profile without your face, and you post only one video. It's done for you video. It's not your face, okay? I have real deep psychology of marketing, exactly what works, what makes people tick, what headlines to use, okay? What offers to promote that you are going to be profitable, okay? Now, how much you can make money, how much you can earn. Let's say you're promoting to US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Germany. In that case, you can make up to 500 US dollars per person. 500 USD per person per deposit. Now let's say you're promoting to African countries or Asians like India, Thailand, I don't know, Indonesia, Philippines, right? You can make from $30 to 100 USD per deposit, which is not bad. One deposit, $100 or 50 US dollars per day, and you have 2 deposits, it's 3,000 US dollars per month. Remember, this is low end, this is minimum, okay? That's why it's important to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and show you by hand-holding you exactly what's working in 2025. Okay, so let's give a simple example. Please stay until the end. Let's say one person signs up and deposits 50 USD. You get CPA $200, okay? So basically, you spend $20 a day on ads on TikTok or even organic. I always do 1 week running ads. Next week, I don't run ads. Free organic traffic, free eyeballs, free audience, okay? You are netting 180 US dollars per day if you're spending only $20 a day with one sign up. Remember, one person depositing only $50 US. Okay. Now, what I'm helping you also with is my students. I'm helping you choose exactly the right casino offer, okay, and also how to promote different places, how to promote, what kind of headlines to use, what kind of ad copy to use, how to attract them, what imagery to use, what kind of UGC videos to use. All then is done together with you, and videos are done for you, so you don't have to create any videos yourself. Okay? So let's go viral. And you can have big win compilation, for example, win-win slot machines and stuff like that, which really, really works well. Now, if you want to make money in 2025 with affiliate marketing, even with ClickBank, or just with casino offers, promoting casino offers on private networks, you can let me know, because you're going to get my proven templates, my traffic system, exactly how I'm doing it, and step-by-step coaching, so know exactly how to do it, okay? If you're, of course, serious. Now, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram. So this is my Instagram. You can see over here. I traveled to over now more than 65 countries. To update this, 65 countries all over the world because of affiliate marketing, right? And this is the thing that actually works, okay? So you can follow me there, DM me there. My WhatsApp number is there. Yes, my phone number. Most gurus will never give you any phone numbers. My email is there. My Facebook Messenger. But please do not waste my time. If you're really serious, if you really want these kind of results, okay, if you want to take it seriously, let me know. Let's connect one-on-one and let's make something happen.